Welcome to Beth and Marie. Today we are having a delicious, cool, and tasty treat. We're going to be making some key lime pie milkshake. So I hope you're excited, and let's just get started. So I have 2 glasses here, and the first thing that we're going to do is dip the rims and get them in the freezer so they're cold and frosted and ready to go when the milkshake is ready to go in it. So in order to do that, the first thing that we do is we get 3 tablespoons of sweetened condensed milk, and we're just going to pour it right onto a plate, believe it or not. All right, so there are 3 tablespoons of sweetened condensed milk on that plate. I've crushed quite a few graham crackers, but you only need about 4 graham crackers worth of crumbs. Sprinkle those here on a dish. And then what you're going to do is you're going to gently tip your glass upside down in the sweetened condensed milk, just so the rim gets wet. And then you are going to dip it in the graham cracker crumbs. Kind of roll it around a little, spin it just a bit, and you have a crummy rim on your glass. So let's do this again. Sweetened condensed milk, graham cracker crumbs, and then all I'm going to do with this is put it in the freezer until we are ready to drink. All right, so we're going to need some fresh lime juice for this recipe, and in order to get the best fresh lime juice, you use fresh limes. So what I've done is I have sliced some key limes in half, and this is my lime or lemon citrus juicer that I like to use. Open it up, it has some holes in the bottom. There's all kinds of ways that you can juice a lime, but this is my preferred method. So here I go. Put the half side down, and I squeeze it, and the juice drips out. It's really nice because this catches the seeds nicely, but it gets a lot of the juice out, and it saves some wear and tear on your hands. And there we go. So we need a 1/4 cup of lime juice for this recipe, and I used 2 key limes, and I got a 1/4 cup from that. All right, let's go ahead and mix up this milkshake. The first thing that I'm going to add is the leftover sweetened condensed milk from dipping my glasses in the rims. So I'm just going to scrape it off the plate and into the blender. That's probably about 2.5 tablespoons. Next, we're going to add a 1/4 cup of whole milk, a 1/4 cup of fresh squeezed lime juice. I'm using key lime juice for the key lime pie taste. And of course, this would not be complete without ice cream. So let's add 2 cups of ice cream. I'm using French vanilla. You could use any kind of vanilla that you like. And dump it right there into the blender. All right, that's about 2 cups of ice cream. Last ingredient I'm going to add in is just a little bit of graham cracker crumbs. You can do this to taste. If you like lots of crumbs, add more. You can always add more in later also. And now we're going to blend it up. All right, this is looking delicious. As you can see, nice and thick and well blended. All right, now that we've blended up our milkshake ingredients, I took the frosted glasses out of our freezer, and we're gonna go ahead and pour our milkshake into our glasses. This is going to be a delicious, cool treat. Top this milkshake with a little whipped cream. And a fresh bit of lime. All right, so here I have my friend Kayla, and she's offered to be the official taste tester of this key lime pie milkshake. So go ahead, Kayla, tell us what you think.
Okay. What do you think?
Well, that'll help, you know.
It tastes just like key lime pie.
Awesome.
Like straight up key lime pie.
Good.
Wait, hold on. It's really good.
Awesome.
It's really good.
I'm so glad you like it. And it's simple. You can make it at home. Anybody who's watching can make this. So,
Like, sit on the beach. That's what I'm thinking. Outside, summertime kind of drink.
perfect. All right. There you have it. Key Lime Pie Milkshake.